Alright, let's see the load times for Red Dead Redemption 2 on the Xbox Series S. Now, let's see. Alright. We've got this quick sync happening. Let's see what happens. Pretty quick. Very, very fast. So this is the build 1491.16. Is that how many, updates there's been? Has there really been over 14,000 updates? That is crazy. So far, pretty fast in terms of everything. Now, this is the main thing that I want to see is, how long does it take to load this game up? Doesn't seem to be too long from what I'm seeing. I reckon 10 seconds. And we'll see on the Xbox Series X, the difference, see if it's any faster or not. Because on the last generation, this would have taken forever to really load. So it's actually interesting for me to see, how quick are these games. Alright, so now we're pretty much into the game now. We'll do a bit of walking around so we can have a look at the graphics. Overall, looking really, really good. We can really explore the wilderness now in the world. So, as you can see in the background, it's really nice on the Xbox Series X. I see a little bit of artifacting sort of in the background. We can see if those trees, how I don't know, it's not 100% loading 100%, it's not 100% clear, but overall, pretty good. Wow, the mountains in the background look absolutely amazing. It's just one of those games that are really breathtaking, and it's like a world within itself. That's what's absolutely amazing about Red Dead Redemption 2. And that's why I want to do this test. Just to see, how is the game and everything. Even in that window, you can see slight, artifacting with the character.
Hello again.
As you can see, there's, some sort of jagged edges. But this is, me really nitpicking. It just seems like things in the background look slightly... It's not perfect, but still, it looks amazing. But just certain elements in the background that aren't absolutely amazing. But still, on the Xbox Series S, I would still absolutely play this. And I did for a while, I really enjoyed playing this game. It just looks absolutely incredible. And, everything is interactive, and it's a world of its own. That's what's absolutely amazing about this. I'm pretty sure we still get the shadows. Here, we can't really see the character in the water. No water reflections there, so no real ray tracing, if that makes sense. Oh, I can see some. See, there's those artifacts again. You can kind of see the artifacting that's happening. It's kind of like the cross-hatching artifacts is what I'm going at. See that with the tree there. All those trees in the background, there's a lot of sort of artifacting happening. Which is like the cross-hatching effect that I'm talking about. Alright, one of my favorite places so far. Let's just walk around here and show you what it looks like. Yeah, it looks great. Well, there's a bit of loading going on there, I feel like, with that lower corner right there. Overall, it still looks absolutely amazing. So, yeah, let's switch over to the Xbox Series X and see how we go with the difference. Alright, this is on the Xbox Series X. That was super fast. Obviously, the Xbox Series X is a lot more fast and a lot more of a capable console. But it's just interesting to see, how fast it is in comparison to the Xbox Series S. I'm expecting this to be, 5 seconds or so. Fade to black. Ooh, I was expecting it to go straight in the game. So, yeah, relatively about the same amount of time, I reckon. There we go, we're in the game. Alright. starting off again from where we last were. Wow, there's like a detailed difference, like fog and stuff that we're seeing. Wow. Big detailed differences. There's no artifacting in the backgrounds like there was before. Like, I can see just like different details in the visuals. Like, we can see fog and all this stuff happening. And like the character looks really detailed in this. Try and go the same direction as what we were going before. But like, I'm not noticing any artifacting with any of the trees, anything like that happening. So that's a really good sign. Everything just looks really clear. I feel like there is a huge graphical difference between the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X. Like, just looking at this, how clear everything is with the Xbox Series X in comparison to the X. It really shows huge differences. And plus, we can play more frames per second with the Xbox Series X. But it really does show, like, one, it's looking more colorful. No more artifacting. It's looking a lot more smoother in terms of the gameplay all around. Like, the grass just looks better all around. Man, it's just looking absolutely incredible. Really enjoying this. Alright, now let's go into town, pay off a bounty again. Man, if you can get an Xbox Series X, it's definitely worth it over the Xbox Series S.
How can I be of service?
There we go, done. Man, like, there's no artifacting through those windows. There was even a bit of reflection going on, so I can see like a little bit of sort of ray tracing going on there as well. I'm just noticing like 0 artifacts. Wow, big difference. Alright, let's head into town and just have a look. Yeah, out of my damn way. Wow, it just looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, you can see reflections, like ray tracing and stuff like that. It's looking amazing, man. Let's walk through here. Everything just looks clear, amazing. Everything just looks in focus. Nothing's artifacting in the image. It looks great overall. In terms of the loading time, like, relatively quite similar feeling with the loading time, but overall, really great. So, if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.